What's up guys, my name is Derek and this is the all new elegant Infinix Hot 10i with a whopping 6000 mAh battery and the newest device from the Infinix Hot lineups. After they have released several budget devices such as the regular Hot 10, the Hot 10 Play and the Hot 10T, and right now is the Hot 10i. It is an entry-level device priced at 51,800 naira for the 2GB and the 32GB internal storage variant, which is the base model. You will also get another one with a bigger storage which is priced higher. So in this video I'll get you through this device, and without further ado, grab a popcorn and let's get started. The Infinix Hot 10i has this elegant smooth look with the gradient looking stripes on the back, which gives it this unique look. When you pick up this device, you will notice it is quite heavy due to this big 6000 mAh battery powering it, and covering it at the back is a plastic material. The power button and the volume button are placed on the right, while on the left you get a SIM tray housing a dual SIM card and SD card slot. On the top is nothing, while at the bottom is a micro USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This phone uses the speaker at the front above the display, which sounds great and a perfect place, especially while gaming and consuming content. I will give this device a 7 out of 10 points. The display of the Infinix Hot 10i is an IPS 6.52 inches HD Plus display with a 720p resolution and up to 500 nits of brightness. For an entry-level device, the display is good enough. Remember, it is not a high refresh rate display. The display also sports a teardrop notch which houses the 8MP camera. There is also an LED light for notification. The Infinix Hot 10i comes with the MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is a gaming-centric chipset. It comes in two variants, which is the 32GB internal storage and the 64GB internal storage, all with 2GB RAM, and runs on Android 11 with XOS 7.5. This version of XOS packs a lot of features, such as kids mode, which allows you to prevent your kids from tampering with your own information or settings. You will also be able to select some apps which you would want your kids to use in the kids mode. There are other special features such as social turbo game mode, which allows you to mute notifications while in your gaming section, and many other things to break that addiction when it comes to games, and also to improve your gaming experience. Other special features such as smart panels, action/gesture or video assistance, power menu, and accessibility features. All these features are usable and not gimmick to me. There is also this feature called the theft alert, which alerts you whenever someone removes or unplugs your earphone jack and the charger, which starts to make a sound like a beep. This can be handy if your phone is charging somewhere not close to you. The performance of the Infinix Hot 10i is quite good for a device at this price range, and believe me, it will be able to carry the games you give to it and also runs smoothly during normal tasks. The Infinix Hot 10i has a dual camera setup at the back with 13MP main and 2MP depth. The main camera takes nice pictures, which comes in handy for social media posts, but while taking a portrait pictures, the depth still lacks in terms of edge detection, but is still usable. On the front is an 8MP selfie camera. Both the front and the back camera shoots video at 1080p, which is nice for an entry-level device like this. These are the pictures and videos taken from the camera of the Infinix Hot 10i. Hey, what's up guys, this is the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 10i, shooting at 1080p resolution. Let's go to where you can get the sun and see how the video quality is. So let me know how the quality is in the comment section below. To me, I think it's okay. We'll go with the megapixel. But it's actually okay if it can, as long as it can shoot at 1080. This is the back camera of the Infinix Hot 10i. I am shooting at 1080p. It's no image stabilization. So this is how the video sample is. One of the impressive features of this camera is that it can shoot time-lapse video at 1080p which is so amazing. And this is the time-lapse shot from the Infinix Hot 10i. Overall, the Infinix Hot 10i is a great device with excellent battery life. Like, this battery lasts so well. The cameras are good enough for taking pictures. It can also handle games very well and your normal day-to-day tasks. So if you are on a budget to get a new device with bigger display, bigger battery, the Hot 10i can be a pick for you. That is that for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so as to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.